Alito?
Your argument depends very heavily on the standard of care, which I take it is defined by a medical consensus. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Have there been occasions, I mean, the medical consensus is usually very reasonable and it's very important, but have there been times when the medical consensus has been politicized, has been taken over by ideology?
We have no facts about that in this case, but I wouldn't disagree that that's possible. And I think it's a really—
Isn't it a fact that it's happened in the past?
I think
Three generations of idiots are enough?
I think that's certainly a concern, and if there were evidence of that in the record as to whether or not there were a standard of care that wasn't really based on patient safety, that would be highly relevant evidence.
Well, isn't that a reason to apply First Amendment scrutiny when what is being regulated is pure speech and not just saying medical standard of care or medical consensus? That's the end of the day. Rational basis review, anything goes.
No, Your Honor, because again, when we're talking about words used to deliver medical treatment, those issues are the same whether you're talking about words being used or whether you're talking about medical practices that don't involve words. Those issues are the exact same. And there is nothing about this statute, for example, that stops anyone from sharing any opinion about conversion therapy or about how the consensus on that was reached. And again, in this case, there is just no evidence of any motive by either the Colorado legislature or any medical association to reach this conclusion on anything based on anything other than protection of minors and a decades-long record of research.
Was there a time when many medical professionals thought that certain people should not be permitted to procreate because they had low IQs?
I don't know that, but I will accept the premise.
I mean, was there a time when there were many medical professionals who thought that every child born with Down syndrome should be immediately put in an institution?
I don't know that, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Justice Sotomayor? Justice Kagan?